I had a few days later, and I went back to my home, and this was just recently, and something told me to not sleep in the bedroom I normally sleep in, to take a walk and sleep in another bedroom. So I went to the bedroom.
But you mean your intuition? What?
I don't know.
I don't know. Something
I just don't know.
like
I was unpacking from my trip, and I'm just like, I'm gonna sleep in the other bedroom. And I just went, and I laid down, and all of a sudden I started feeling the feeling that I had felt. And the moment I recognized that feeling, I knew that that energy was present, and my nervous system was tuning into it.
So it's a frequency, right?
Oh,
it's a vibration.
Yeah, it's a very
feeling, but it's a.
It's
a signature.
Well, think about that. Think about emotions or energy in motion. More survival emotions like anger and pain and suffering and guilt and fear. They're slower vibrational energies, so we interpret them as chemical. But the higher ones are electric. So I was feeling this kind of electric, familiar energy, and I knew it was I could describe it as an emotion, but if I were to describe it as an emotion, it would be like awe or incredible love, like
ecstasy.
But I was not trying to make it happen. I just was kind of feeling it. So the moment I felt that feeling, I was associating it with those patterns. And with my eyes closed, I started to see those patterns in the infinite void. When we sleep, we close our eyes and we see blackness, and they were kind of taking place. And I surrendered to them, and all of a sudden, I was standing on the stage. We were doing a week-long event in Berlin for a big audience that was taking place in about a week. And I was standing on the stage delivering a teaching. And at the same time that I was standing on the stage delivering the teaching, I was observing myself. And I realized that I was observing myself from one of those wormholes. And I realized that maybe it was me observing me all along when I looked down the initial wormhole. And at the same exact time that I was delivering the teaching in real time, observing myself from another dimension, I was laying in bed and I was semi-awake, and I was creating the lecture from my bed. So I was experiencing three aspects of me all at once at the same time.